Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to add multiple links to Instagram bio. In 2026, Instagram allows you to add up to 5 external links directly in your bio without needing a third-party tools like LinkedIn Bio Tool or many more. Now to add multiple links, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon. You should be able to find your profile over here. Then tap on this edit profile option. From there, you should be able to find this bio option where you can add your links. Go ahead and tap on this add links option, then tap on this plus icon. From here, you can just paste your URL over here, then give it a title name. Now once you do so, go ahead and tap on this tick mark and the links should be available on your bio over here. Now if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.